Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve update on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve update on CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to CapCut and you can click. Then this list of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about CapCut. If you will find here update, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.